Good evening, CMC. Nandito na po ang inyong likod para sa ating in-service. Ang ating in-service ngayon, topic natin ay ang defibrillator. How to use the defibrillator. Basics lang guys. So mauni guys ang ato ang defibrillator. Zoll M series. Biphasic 200 joules maximum. So this is a defibrillator and monitor. Disclaimer, sponsored by Zoll M series. Guys, this is our defibrillator, the Zoll M series. So first, dapat makabalita sa mga parts sa atong defibrillator. Unang-una, ang monitor or ang screen. Next is ang selector. To select off, to select monitor, to select defibrillator, and pacer. Next is the paddles. These are the paddles. The ones we connect to the patient when delivering the shot. Next is ang atong electrodes on lids. So this is a 3 LED monitor. So now guys, kabalo na ta sa mga parts. Ang atong isunod is how to turn on the defibrillator. Okay, selector, put it on monitor. So pag butang na to sa monitor, magawas na siyang screen, mag-turn on ang screen na kay makita na ECG tracing nga wala pa, no? Kaya sa wala pa nato na connect to the patient. So naadiri paddles. So makita na to nakabutang paddles. So this is the LED selector. So click one, that is LED 1, ECG 1. ECG 2 or LED 2, ECG 3 or LED 3, and the paddles. So kanina paddles. So that's it guys. Next time ulit. See you.